श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम् श्रीराघवं दशरथात्मज अप्रमेयं सीतापतिं रघुकुलान्वयरत्नदीपम् आजानुबाहुम् अरविन्ददलायदाक्षं रामं निशाचरविनाशकरं नमामि. Welcome to Navaratri series. This video presentation is titled Shri Rama Jayam on the auspicious occasion of Vijayadasami or Dasera. Vijayadasami, also called Dashera, which is the 10th day or the concluding day of the Navaratri festival, is celebrated as the victory of good over evil. The goddess manifests herself as Mahishasura Mardini to vanquish the demon Mahishasura. Similarly, Lord Rama killed the demon Ravana on this auspicious day. To denote the Ravana Vadham, we have termed this video called Shri Rama Jayam, victory to Lord Shri Rama. We shall begin this presentation with a visit to a very well-known Shri Rama shrine. When we tell the Rama Nama, when we chant Rama's name, we cannot stop ourselves from thinking of this beautiful temple town. Which is this temple town? It is one of the Sapta Moksha Puris. I have given you a major clue. You know the town. Which town is it? It is Ayodhya. We have Muthuswami Dikshitar to take us to Ayodhya to experience Lord Rama in all his glory. Yes, it is the Vasanta Raga Kriti Ramachandram Bhavayami that we get to listen to today, which talks of Lord Rama and his family background. Dikshitar in particular highlights his family details to tell us that he was born in Ayodhya. He also gives a hint of the place Ayodhya, the Kshetra Mudra, which is a characteristic feature of Dikshitar's compositions. Let us get into details now. The Pallavi starts off with the phrase Ramachandram Bhavayami. Always meditate on Lord Shri Rama. Who is he? Raghu Kula Tilakam. The foremost, the best out of the Raghu clan. The whole family of Raghu, he is the best among all of the rulers in the Raghu dynasty. Raghu Kula Tilakam Upendram. Upendraha is one of the Namavali in Vishnu Sahasranama. Upendram, he is the brother of Indra. This goes back to the Vamana Avataram when Indra and Mahavishnu was born as brothers. In the Vamana Avatara, Mahavishnu and Indra were born as brothers to Aditi and Kashyapa Maharishi. So Muthuswami Dikshitar quotes that story also here. Upendram, Raghukula Tilakam, Upendram, Ramachandram Bhavayami. As we proceed with the Kriti, we come across a very beautiful, interesting phrase, Saketa Nagare Nivasantam. This, when translated, gives us the meaning, the one who lives in Saketa Nagara. Saketa Nagara is Ayodhya. The one who lives in Ayodhya is Saketa Nagare Nivasantam. So here we get the Kshetra Mudra. Which place this Kriti was composed at? Ayodhya. So Saketa Nagare Nivasantam. Another very important thing that is characteristic of Muthuswami Dikshitar's compositions is Raga Mudra. The name of the Raga is embedded in most of his compositions. So here we have Saketa Nagare Nivasantam. Vasanta Ragam is also embedded here. Vasantam, Vasanta. Another phrase where Dikshitar mentions about Rama's family. He talks about the clan, the family in which Rama was born. There are two instances in this Kriti where he talks about Rama's family. Because Ayodhya being Ram Janma Bhumi, he gives references to in which family Rama was born. So he tells Kakustam. In Kakusta Kulam, in Kakusta Vamsham, Rama was born. So Kakustam Dhimantam. He is a very intelligent, brave person, Rama. So Kakustam, the one in Kakusta Vamsham, is one example to tell that he was born in Kakusta Vamsham in such a great family. Another we have already seen is Raghukula Tilakam Upendram. He was also born to Aditi and Kashyapa. All these things are related to Mahavishnu's Avatara Kramam, where all he was born. He is telling Kakustam, then Raghukula Tilakam. So all these things are the greatness of the Surya Kulam. The greatness of Dasharatha's family is being portrayed in this composition. There are a few more phrases in this compositions that we can all experience together, before which we can go listen to this Kriti by Divya Meena, Ramachandram Bhavayami in Vasanta Ragam, composed by Muthuswami Dikshitar. Over to her.
Ramachandram Bhavayami Raghukulatilakam Pendram Ramachandram Bhavayami Raghukulatilakam Pendram Ramachandram Bhavayami Raghukulatilakam Pendram Ramachandram Bhavayami Raghukulatilakam Pendram Ramachandram Bhavayami. Bhumi Janayakam Bhukti Mukti Dayakam Bhumi Janayakam Bhukti Mukti Dayakam Bhumi Janayakam Bhukti Mukti Dayakam Nama Kirtana Tarakam Naravaram Gatamayikam Nama Kirtana Tarakam Naravaram Gatamayikam Ramachandram Bhavayami Raghukulatilakam Pendram Ramachandram Bhavayami. Saketanagare Nivasantam Saketanagare Nivasantam Samrajyapratam Hanumantam Saketanagare Nivasantam Samrajyapratam Hanumantam Rakenduvadanam Bhagavantam Rakenduvadanam Bhagavantam Ramaniya Kalyana Gunavantam Rakenduvadanam Bhagavantam Ramaniya Kalyana Gunavantam Kakustam Dhimantam Kamalaksham Shrimantam Kakustam Dhimantam Kamalaksham Shrimantam Nageshanudamanantam Naraguru Viharantam Kakustam Dhimantam Kamalaksham Shrimantam Nageshanudamanantam Naraguru Viharantam Ramachandram Bhavayami Raghukulatilakam Pendram Ramachandram Bhavayami.
that brilliant and bright Vasanta that formed a treat for our ears, we are now headed to know more about the Dikshitar's Kriti, with which we'll experience two more compositions. We'll come back to the Dikshitar's Kriti, same Kriti, Ramachandram Bhavayami, where Dikshitar gives us a very important phrase to ponder on. He tells, Samrajya Prada Hanumantam. He gave a big Samrajya, a big kingdom to Hanuman. So what kingdom did Rama give Hanuman? Was it Rama Bhakti Samrajyam? Was it the Rama Bhakti that Rama gave to Hanuman? Or was it the warm, comforting hug that Rama gave to Hanuman after Hanuman came with the good news that he had met Sita in Sundarakanda? Tyagaraja Swami has the answer for this. Let us now listen to what Tyagaraja Swami has to tell about this. Over to Divya Meena to sing that composition for us.
Rama Bhakti Samrajam, 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 Emanavula Kabenu Manasa, 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 Rama Bhakti Samrajam. Amanavula Sandarshana, Amanavula Sandarshana, Amanavula Sandarshana, Amanavula Sandarshana, Amanavula Sandarshana, Atyanta Brahmanandame Manasa, Rama Bhakti Samrajam, Atyanta Brahmanandame Manasa, Rama Bhakti Samrajam, Emanavula Kabenu Manasa, Rama Bhakti Samrajam. Ilagani vivarimpalenu, Ilagani vivarimpalenu, Chala Svanubhava Vedyame, Ilagani vivarimpalenu, Chala Svanubhava Vedyame, Leela Srishti
Yes, that was the answer in Shuddha Bangala. Now I hope all of us know what was the Sambrajya that Rama gave Hanuman. With that being said, we are yet to experience two more phrases in the Vasanta Raga Kriti. One is Shrimantam and the second is Bhumija Nayakam, both of which describe the ever beautiful and youthful wife of Rama, Goddess Sita. We have heard lots about Goddess Sita, the way she handled situations, the way she dealt her separation from her beloved husband, the way she dealt with Ravana, the way she interacted with Hanuman, with Lakshmana, and all those wicked people around her in Ashokavana. All these, even though she was looking beautiful, but the everlasting beauty of Sita was her gunas or her characteristics. That being said, Rama alone can't protect us, but we need Sita Rama to protect us. For this, who else but Bhadrachala Ramadasu is asking Rama to protect all of us. He is telling Rama, Daya Judave. Daya or compassion is the guna or characteristic that the Lord needs to show on us, especially in these testing times. So that being said, we now get to listen to Rama Daya Judave in Dhanyashi Ragam, composed by Bhadrachala Ramadasu. Over to Divya Meena to sing this composition for us.
Ramadaya Judave, Ramadaya Judave, Sita Ramadaya Judave, Sita Ramadaya Judave, Sita Ramadaya Judave, Sita Ramadaya Judave, Bhadrachala Dhamanannu Brobave, 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 Sita Ramadaya Judave. రామదయ చూచి రక్షించి మమ్మేలు, రామదయ చూచి రక్షించి మమ్మేలు, రామదయ చూచి రక్షించి మమ్మేలు, రామరణ రంగ భీమ జగదభిరామదయ జూడవే, రామదయ చూచి రక్షించి మమ్మేలు, రామరణ రంగ భీమ జగదభిరామదయ జూడవే, భద్రాచల ధామానన్ను బ్రోవవే, సీతా రామదయ జూడవే, దిక్కు నీవని నమ్మితి రామ, దిక్కు నీవని నమ్మితి రామ, దిక్కు నీవని నమ్మితి, నీ పదముల మకువని మ్రోకితి రామ, దిక్కు నీవని నమ్మితి, నీ పదముల మకువని మ్రో శ్రీరామదాసుని చీకులు పెట్టగ శ్రీరామదాసుని చకని బ్రోవవే చకని సీతారామదయ చూడవే భద్రాచలధామానన్ను బ్రోవవే సీతారామదయ చూడవే.
Just the way Bhadrachala Ramadasu prayed to Lord Rama at Bhadrachalam, Lord Sita Rama, to shower him with grace, let us also pray to Sita Rama, to Kodanda Rama, to the Rama who killed Ravana, to the Rama who is always victorious, to protect us, to shower us with his grace, especially in these testing times. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and special thanks to Divya Meena for singing all these beautiful compositions for us. Thank you, and have a great and blessed Vijayadashami or Dasara. Until the next time, Namaste.